Good afternoon, my fishing brethren. Glad to be back with you. There has been a lot of things going on here at the old homestead, and first and foremost, we got rid of all of our boats. So I have 0 boats for a while, and come back around and fish this spring and summer, did some tournament fishing. We did not do well at all this year, and took kind of the summer off for a couple of different reasons, and I'll make you a deal. If you're interested in that at all, I'm going to do a channel update video, hopefully in the morning. Not hopefully, will be channel update in the morning for our Monday morning coffee chat, and kind of fill you in on what's been going on. But for now, I did receive another boat, and I'll show you what this is here in just a second. Now, the kicker is, right now I'm boatless. This boat is in my name at the moment, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be keeping it or not. So part of the reason for making this video and getting back into the YouTube scene is just to show you what I got, and also to just pick your brains just a little bit. If you think I should keep this boat or maybe hold off, sell this guy, and then try to get something just a little bit bigger, and I'll give you the rundown here in just a second on the conundrum that I'm facing with that. So without further ado, let me show you what we've got. So what we have found is a really nice 1992 19.5 foot Champion. Trolling motor is going to need to be replaced. The electronics do not work. The seats are in really great shape. The boat itself is in really great shape. It's been garage kept. You can tell down here the gel coat is really nice. It's dusty, but once you dust that off, it's really, really pretty. The seats are in great shape. All of the dash works, and the dash is in really good shape from what I can see. And we took it out on the water and was very impressed. It's got a 200 Mariner. Let me get this boat cover off so you guys can see that. So a 200 Mariner, and we believe that he had new power heads put on it. So it's essentially, you know, almost, it acts like a brand new motor. We took it out. It hadn't been ran in quite some time, probably at least a year. And it fired on the very first turn of the key, so that was very impressive. Great prop and runs well. We put some batteries in here to at least get the job done for now, but as you can tell, everything looks pretty clean, pretty good. The carpet's in decent shape. Wouldn't hurt to replace, but I imagine just a good washing would be sufficient. And so this is the new boat that we've acquired, and I've got some decisions to really make about it, and some things to think about. So the question now is, why in the world would I not keep it? It's in great shape. It's been garage kept. It's a wonderful boat. It rides well, it runs well, without any kind of tweaking or anything like that. I think 64, 65 is what we got it up to. And so, and that wasn't even, I don't believe it was wide open. I think it had a little bit more, especially if we started messing with the trim and all that. Plenty fast, plenty of boat, but now the question is, what do we do? You know, do I want to keep it or do I sell it? And so now the conundrum is, it's not exactly what I want. What I want is a 20.5 foot, at least a 225, and I want a skeeter. That's kind of what I want, what I desire. Starting to get a little rain, so I'll try to wrap this up quickly, but I don't know. So I can sell this. I think we can make $1,500, $2,000 on the deal and have that little extra going into what I really want, or do I keep it and just fish it next season and call it good? I think I could fish it for a season and still get more than what we paid for. So it's an interesting question. It's a conundrum. It's something I'm really going to have to think about. So why don't you guys weigh in? Let me know what you think. If you were in my position, fishing season is over. There's no more tournament fishing. It won't start till next spring. I've lucked out and I've acquired a wonderful garage kept Champion. It's a phenomenal boat, 19.5. It's just a foot shy of what I really want. And with another $1,000, $1,500 bucks, new trolling motor on top of that, you know, I think it's tournament ready. However, it's not exactly what I want, and so this is the struggle, I guess. So anyway, I'm waiting for your input. And again, if you're you're wanting a channel update, if you want to see how I'm doing, be sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, tap that notification bell, and that way in the morning you'll have word of whenever I put up my video. I'm going to go kind of in depth about what's been going on and why I haven't posted and all that good stuff. But for now, really curious what you guys think about this Champion. It's a great boat, and if somebody out there wants it, shoot me a message and I'll make you a great deal. God bless you guys. Have a great, safe afternoon. I'm looking forward to getting some more videos going. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.